Today we're going to talk about something personal but very important: staying healthy, active, and connected even after 60. Many people think that energy and intimacy naturally fade with age, but that doesn't have to be true. I'm Dr. Zara, and I want to share three simple fruits that can help improve your blood circulation, boost your confidence, and make you feel more alive. Let's begin with watermelon. You've probably heard people call it nature's Viagra, and believe it or not, there's science behind that. Watermelon contains a compound called L-citrulline, which your body turns into L-arginine. That process helps relax and open up your blood vessels, improving circulation throughout the body. It works along the same pathway that medications like Viagra or Cialis use, only in a much gentler, natural way. This doesn't mean you'll feel instant results after one slice. Think of it more like watering a plant. A little every day keeps it healthy. Consistency is what brings real change. One easy way to enjoy it is by making a simple smoothie. Blend 2 or 3 cups of fresh watermelon with a small piece of ginger and a bit of cold water or ice. If you want an extra boost, include a small piece of the white part of the rind. That's where most of the L-citrulline hides. When you make this part of your daily routine, you might notice your blood pressure improving and your energy returning within a few weeks. Some people even report better confidence and more vitality after about a month. It's safe, natural, and it gives your body what it needs to function properly. Now let's move to the second fruit group: berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries might look small, but they're packed with powerful nutrients called flavonoids and anthocyanins. These plant compounds protect the lining of your blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and keep your arteries flexible. That means better heart health and smoother blood flow throughout your body. According to research from Harvard, men who regularly eat berries, especially blueberries and strawberries, have around a 10% lower risk of developing erectile problems later in life. That's a simple but powerful reminder that small habits really do matter. Picture this. You start your morning with a small bowl of berries. It's not just a healthy breakfast, it's an investment in yourself. Even half a cup a day can make a difference over time. One of my patients, John, who's 67, shared that he started having a handful of blueberries every morning. At first, he didn't notice much, but after 2 months, he said his morning energy started returning. Not every day, but enough to feel hopeful. That's what happens when consistency meets good nutrition. Berries also help your body produce more nitric oxide, a natural compound that widens blood vessels and improves circulation. That leads to better energy, confidence, and overall well-being. The third fruit I want to talk about is pomegranate. It's known for its beautiful red color, but what really makes it special is what's inside: antioxidants and polyphenols. These help clean and protect your blood vessels, keeping them strong and flexible. Pomegranate also boosts nitric oxide in your body, which supports healthy blood flow and reduces inflammation. You can enjoy it as fresh fruit or drink a small glass of pure pomegranate juice. About 8 ounces a day is enough. It's not an instant fix, but if you stick with it, you may start noticing smoother blood pressure and better circulation in about 4 to 6 weeks. One of my patients, Tom, who's 62, started drinking a small glass of pomegranate juice every morning. After about a month, he told me intimacy felt more natural again. Not something he had to plan, but something that came back on its own. That's what steady, healthy habits can do. If you're taking blood-thinning medication, it's best to check with your doctor before adding pomegranate juice, because it can slightly increase its effects. So to sum it up, watermelon helps open up your blood vessels and supports nitric oxide levels, berries protect and strengthen your arteries, and pomegranate cleans and energizes your circulation. Together, they help your heart, your energy, and your connection with your partner. Age doesn't have to mean slowing down or losing touch with your vitality. When you give your body the right foods, it responds beautifully. You'll feel more alive, more confident, and more connected, naturally. Thank you for spending your time with me today. I'm Dr. Zara, and I hope this inspired you to take small, consistent steps toward better health. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe for more simple health advice, and share it with someone who deserves to feel their best.